Chapter 7, Measurement. Friends, have you ever noticed who is tall or who is short in your family? What is lighter, a lemon or a watermelon? What is heavier, a pencil or a book? All these things are included in measurement. Let us learn more about measurement. Longer, shorter. Friends, 2 pencils and 2 ladders are given in the picture. You have to tick mark the longer pencil and ladder. This is longer pencil and that is longer ladder. Let us tick mark it. Look at the leaves and brooms. You have to tick mark the shorter leaf and broom. This is shorter leaf and that is shorter broom. Let us tick mark it. Look at the ropes and sticks. You have to tick mark the shorter rope and stick. This is shorter rope and that is shorter stick. Let us tick mark it. Longest, shortest. Friends, 3 red chilies are given here. You have to find out the shortest and the longest chili and tick mark it. First one is the longest chili and last one is the shortest chili. We tick mark it. Next are 3 oars. You have to find out longest oar and tick mark it. Middle oar is longest, so we tick mark it. Next are 3 corn cobs. You have to find out longest cob and tick mark it. First cob is the longest, so we tick mark it. Next are 3 sticks. You have to find out shortest stick and tick mark it. Middle stick is shortest, so we tick mark it. Taller, shorter. Friends, look at this picture. This giraffe is taller and this one is shorter. See these 2 persons. This one is taller and the other one is shorter. In the same way, you have to find out taller and shorter objects in the given pictures and tick mark it. 2 birds are given in the picture. We have to put a tick mark on the taller bird. Who is taller? Yes, heron is taller bird. We tick mark it. 2 animals are given in the picture. We have to make a tick mark on the taller animal. Who is taller? Cow is taller animal. We tick mark it. 2 dogs are given in the picture. We have to make a tick mark on the shorter dog. This dog is shorter. We tick mark it. 2 trees are given in the picture. we have to make a tick mark on the shorter dog. This tree is shorter. We tick mark it. Tallest, shortest. Friends, 3 houses are given here. You have to find out the shortest and tallest house and tick mark it. First one is the tallest house and the last one is the shortest house. We tick mark it. 3 trees are given here. You have to find out the shortest and tallest tree and tick mark it. First one is the tallest tree and the last one is the shortest tree. We tick mark it. Next are 3 birds. You have to find out tallest bird and tick mark it. Middle bird is the tallest, so we tick mark it. Next are 3 jokers. You have to find out shortest joker and tick mark it. First joker is the shortest, so we tick mark it. Thicker, thinner. Look at the braids of these 2 girls and 2 thread spools. This girl's braid is thicker and that girl's braid is thinner. This thread spools is thicker and that thread spools is thinner. Here, 2 brooms and 2 tree trunks are given. We tick mark the thicker objects. This is a thicker broom and that is thicker tree trunk. We tick mark it. Here, 2 arrows and 2 ropes are given. We tick mark the thinner objects. This is a thinner arrow and that is thinner rope. We tick mark it. Thickest, thinnest. Friends, 3 books are given here. You have to find out the thickest and the thinnest book and tick mark it. First is the thickest book and last is the thinnest book. We tick mark it. 3 folded papers are given here. You have to find out the thickest and the thinnest folded paper and tick mark it. First is thickest folded paper and last is thinnest folded paper. We tick mark it. Next are 3 pencils. You have to find out the thickest pencil and tick mark it. First pencil is thickest, so we tick mark it. Next are 3 brushes. You have to find out the thinnest brush and tick mark it. First brush is thinnest, so we tick mark it. Heavier, lighter. Friends, look at the pictures. In first picture, a pumpkin is kept in one pan of the scale, and the tomato is kept in the other pan of the scale. We know that pumpkin is heavier and tomato is lighter. In second picture, elephant and ant are given. Who is heavier and who is lighter? We know that elephant is heavier and ant is lighter. Tell me, what is lighter? A shirt or a lock? Right. Shirt is lighter than the lock. So we tick mark it. Tell me, what is lighter? Right. Small gas cylinder is lighter than the big cylinder. So we tick mark it. Tell me, what is heavier? A kite or a thread spool? Right. Thread spool is heavier than the kite. So we tick mark it. Tell me, what is heavier? A whale or a fish? Right. Whale is heavier than the fish. So we tick mark it. Heaviest, lightest. Friends, 3 objects are given here. They are watermelons. First is the heaviest and the third is the lightest watermelon. Here, 3 objects are given here. They are a water bag, a spool of thread, and a drum of paint. You have to find out the heaviest object and tick mark it. The drum of paint is the heaviest object. So we tick mark it. Which is the lightest object? A hammer, a book's cupboard, or a frog? You have to find out the lightest objects and tick mark it. Frog is the lightest. We tick mark it. Which is the heaviest object? Tiffin, a water bottle, or a water bucket filled with water? You have to find out the heaviest objects and tick mark it. Water bucket filled with water is the heaviest. We tick mark it. Measurement. Friends, you must have seen a carpenter making a table. But have you observed how does he do it? First, he measures the length of the wood. Then, he cuts the wood for making table. Have you measured any objects? Look at the picture. A girl is measuring the length of her book with her handspan. The length is 3 handspans. In second picture, a boy is measuring the length of the table with his handspan. Measure the table you are sitting with your handspan and note the length in your book and show it to your teacher. Measure. Look at the girl. She is measuring the length of a table with her handspan. Table is 3 spans long. Other girl is measuring her pencil with handspan. Pencil is 2 handspans long. What is that girl doing? She is measuring the blackboard with her pencil. The boys are playing game of tip cat. They are measuring the distance of the tip from the hole with the stick. See the other picture. What is this boy doing? Yes, He is measuring his carpet with his feet. The carpet is 10 feet long. That girl is measuring her mat with feet. The mat is 6 feet long. Now guess the distance between the two trees with feet.